Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Narzo 60. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Go to lock screen password, unlock it, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Firstly, let's disable password and let's start with numeric password. Now, we've got three more types of numeric password: 6-digit, 4-digit and 4 to 16-digit password. Let's select only 4-digit numeric password. And now use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select alphanumeric, and to create it enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it connect at least 4 dots. Use it to unlock the phone, and let's proceed to biometrics. So go back and now enter face unlock. Now simply scan your face via front camera. And when your face is scanned, you can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select fingerprint, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and it's set. Use it to unlock the phone. And that's all for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.